Today, we chase the perfect charcoal grill named in Ninh Hoa.
First stop, the morning market. Ingredients decide everything.
We want a shoulder springy, not too lean. Yeah.
A little fat is the secret to juicy skewers.
Garlic, fish sauce, sugar. Simple but precise.
This fish sauce will carry the smoky sweetness.
The wrap needs a mountain of greens.
Rice paper, thin enough to hug the heat.
Crunch is non-negotiable.
Turns into tradition.
Morning. Good morning, Uncle. Teach me the Ninh Hoa way. The mix should look sticky, almost bouncy.
Shape it fast, warm hand change the texture.
Every skewer like a little promise.
Charcoal only, no shortcuts. Even heat, so the outside kisses, not burns.
This is the sound of caramelizing.
Turn, pause, turn, never rush the smoke.
A thin glaze, just enough shine. In Ninh Hoa, the grill is the front row show. Feel the heat through the fan.
Sauce starts with roasted peanuts, deep and warm.
On the side, heat you control.
Now we build the perfect roll.
Herbs first. Herbs first, so the smoke.
Center, deeper sweetness. Same sauce, two personalities.
This isn't a trend, it's a daily habit.
We're taking the smoke to the sea next.
Charcoal plus seafood. This is the coastal finale setup. Fresh seafood starts right here, at the harbor.
We're buying what came in minutes ago.
Look for firm flesh, no strong smell. How much for this one?
For you, special price.
Tonight's grill needs that ocean snap.
Small to medium shrimp, grilled sweetest on charcoal. Charcoal by the shore, this is the dream. 3 stalls, 1 question. Who nails the smoke? Stall A goes clean and bright.
Stall B pushes sweet smoke hard.
Stall C is all about speed and heat. Same seafood, three philosophies.
This is the coastal feast. Simple, smoky, unforgettable.
Two dips, two moods.
Soft, smoky, crunchy. 3 textures in one.
Hot zone to sear, cool zone to finish, always. One last stop, back to Nem for the finale.
Night makes the smoke smell even better.
Same fire, same craft, every single batch.
This sauce is the hometown signature.
Final quest, the perfect Ninh Hòa bite. Smoke, sweetness, and a clean herbal finish.
Ninh Hòa taught us one truth. Charcoal makes food feel alive.
Want better grilling? Start with better charcoal.
Dry charcoal rings, wet charcoal thuds. Clean break means steady heat.
Paper, quiet work, big impact.
Thin, even, and fast. No hesitation.
The lift has to be gentle. This is the wrap you taste without noticing.
Everything on charcoal.
Same recipe, new charcoal. Let's feel.
That bounce means we ladled the heat.
Everyone here has their own perfect ratio.
Tap first, then a quick swipe.
Separate herbs so they stay alive.
Charcoal food tastes best when shared.
Okay, this bite is pure coastal forest fire.
From coal to roll, Ninh Hòa is all craft.
See you on the next smoky journey.
One more challenge. Can we recreate the perfect skewer ourselves?
Same ingredient, home fire. Let's see what changes.
Ooh, I'm aiming for that elastic bounce.
Uniform matters, so it cooks evenly.
A short rest helps it set.
Sharp.
Shop is tighter, home is softer.
Both smoky.
One tweak, a bit more fat to bounce.
Charcoal smoke is a flavor you can see.
In this town, smoke is a compass.
Names, no bitterness.
Seafood or pork, charcoal speaks the same language.
This is the bite we chased all day.
Cling test passed.
Ninh Hòa smoke, sweet, clean, and unforgettable.
Ingredients, fire, and the sea. 3 keys to this journey.
From Ninh Hòa. Thanks for eating with me. For eating with me.
See you next time.
Follow the smoke.
Good night, Ninh Hòa.